Getting involved in a road accident is a harrowing experience, and unfortunately, I found myself on the receiving end when I was hit by a taxi while riding my moped. This incident made me realize the importance of road safety and awareness. Firstly, I learned about defensive driving techniques. Staying vigilant and anticipating potential hazards can help prevent accidents. I now pay closer attention to the road and maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. Secondly, understanding traffic rules is crucial. Obeying speed limits, traffic signs, and signals can prevent collisions. I make sure to always follow these rules to ensure the safety of both myself and others on the road. Moreover, wearing appropriate safety gear is vital. Wearing a helmet and protective clothing can significantly reduce the risk of serious injuries in the event of an accident. I now always wear a helmet, even for short rides. Furthermore, this incident taught me the significance of being visible on the ROA. A moped is a two-wheeled motorized vehicle that falls under the category of motorcycles. It is designed for low-speed urban travel and is equipped with an engine typically ranging from 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters, giving it limited power compared to larger motorcycles. Mopeds are a popular mode of transportation due to their affordability, fuel efficiency, and ease of use. They are commonly used for short-distance commuting or recreational purposes in many countries. To operate a moped, a valid driver's license or specific moped license is usually required. Mopeds typically have smaller wheels and a step-through frame design, making them easier to mount and dismount compared to other motorcycles. They are equipped with pedals, allowing the rider to assist the engine when starting from a standstill or climbing uphill. This unique feature also grants mopeds certain legal advantages, such as being classified as bicycles in some jurisdictions. Many mopeds have limited top speeds, often capped at 30 to 4. A motorized bicycle is a type of two-wheeled vehicle that combines a traditional bicycle with a small engine. The engine is typically located in the center or rear of the bicycle and provides power to propel the vehicle forward. Motorized bicycles are often used as a convenient and cost-effective means of transportation, especially in urban areas. The engine used in a motorized bicycle is usually a small combustion engine or an electric motor. Combustion engines may run on gasoline or a mixture of gasoline and oil, while electric motors are powered by a rechargeable battery. These engines are relatively small in size, making them lightweight and easy to handle. To operate a motorized bicycle, the rider must pedal the pedals to start the engine. Once the engine is running, the rider can choose to continue pedaling or rely solely on the engine for propulsion. Some motorized bicycles are equipped with a throttle that allows the rider to control the speed without pedaling. Motorized bike. A motorized bike, also known as a motorbike or a motorcycle, is a two-wheeled vehicle powered by an engine. Unlike bicycles that require human effort to move forward, motorized bikes have an internal combustion engine or an electric motor that propels them. These engines convert fuel or electricity into mechanical energy to set the wheels in motion. Motorized bikes offer several advantages over traditional bicycles. First, they provide an easier and faster mode of transportation, allowing riders to cover longer distances in a shorter amount of time. This makes them suitable for commuting or traveling on hilly terrains. Additionally, motorized bikes are eco-friendly alternatives to cars or motorcycles, producing fewer emissions and consuming less fuel. There are various types of motorized bikes. Hirockn Shop is the ultimate destination for all your adventure needs. Whether you are an avid explorer or a casual thrill seeker, we have got you covered. Dive into the underwater world with our high-quality diving glasses that provide crystal-clear visibility and unparalleled comfort. Protect your feet from sharp rocks and hot sand with our stylish flip-flops, designed to provide maximum grip and safety. For the adrenaline junkies, we offer a wide range of Hot Wheels, Super, treasure hunts. These limited edition collectibles are a must-have for all car enthusiasts, featuring unique designs and premium detailing. Showcase your passion for adventure with our exclusive t-shirts, crafted from top-quality materials to ensure durability and style. Never lose your keys again with our trendy key rings, available in a variety of eye-catching designs. Whether you prefer vintage classics or modern motifs, we have something to suit every taste. At Hirockn Shop, customer satisfaction is our top